In summer, the forest of Tangjiahe is filled with many lively creatures. More than 300 bird species live here. The tree groves and water marshes are all their sweet homeland. Among them, one of the bird has a very striking appearance. Known as the common hoopoe, it has a distinctive crest, which has earned it the Chinese name, as the crest resembles the elaborate headdress worn by the well-heeled ladies in ancient China. Hence, it is called Daisheng for wearing such a headdress. The hoopoe is a summer migratory bird. It spends spring and summer in Tangjiahe, and during autumn and winter, it flies south looking for a warmer climate. Each year, over 100 species of migratory birds will have their stopovers in Tangjiahe. The hoopoe is one of them, and usually spends 3 to 4 months here to gain enough energy for the next flight. Unlike other birds in the forests, the hoopoe doesn't peck the trunk for worms, but rather strolls on the ground to forage. With a beak which is about 6 centimeters in length, it can work like a small excavator, digging out the worms and insects in the soils easily. Because of this beak, it is often confused with the woodpecker. In fact, the common hoopoe belongs to the genus Hoopoe, in which it is the only species. In its diet of insects, pests account for about 88%. Therefore, it is regarded as a beneficial bird. Tangjiahe is a central zone for migratory birds in China. It has broad-leaved and conifer forests that can offer birds optimal habitats. It is not only a vital breeding ground for birds in central and western China, but also an important resting stop for many migratory birds. In late summer, hoopoes look for food here. An adult bird needs to eat more than its body weight of food. Such frenzied feeding is a necessary preparation for a flight of thousands of kilometers. The hoopoe has a gentle temperament. The way they protect themselves during the breeding season is to emit a repugnant stench to repulse and disgust their enemies. Because of their attractive appearance and their attentive care for offspring, the hoopoe was selected in 2008 as the national bird of Israel. The honor is well deserved. In Chinese, Sheng in its name represents victory. In many poems and artworks of ancient China, there were many hoopoes. It has been admired by many. In autumn, when temperatures plunge, animals in Tangjiahe migrate downwards to the foot of the mountains. The long journey of the hoopoe is about to get underway. In the next spring, it will return to this beautiful homeland.